CAIC. Since the advent of smartphones, a large quantity of data is produced every day from all kinds of apps, including social network, e-commerce, games, and so on. The data has become more and more valuable and gradually plays an important role in AI industry. Nowadays, almost all the IT tycoons in the world have joined the AI industry. They have gained huge profit from big data, but without sharing any of them to the data producers, their users. As the time goes by, the monopoly of data has become a stumbling block of the fast-growing AI industry. CAIC aims to build a decentralized data exchange platform based on blockchain, which connects the AI companies and users in a secure and fair way. On one hand, it allows the AI companies to get the data they need in lower cost. On the other hand, the users can monetize their data through CAIC tokens by sharing to the companies. For example, suppose an AI company wants to train their AI system how to recognize a cat. It needs a large set of cat images to do so. On CAIC platform, firstly, the company buys CAIC tokens and deposit them in our smart contracts. Then they publish their task of collecting cat images in CAIC app. Once the users accept the task and upload cat images, which are verified, they will receive CAIC token as rewards. This process is called mining. Then the images will be trained in our system, and finally, the AI company will get their optimized AI model. The tokens mined by the users can be monetized in our app or other crypto exchanges collaborated. They can also be redeposited in our wallet to keep value added. Meanwhile, the tokens can be used in games, shopping, and other kinds of entertainment modules built inside our wallet. In the future, CAIC token will have more and more use cases to keep increasing its value, involving more people to join the development of the AI industry.